Hi guys, my name is Nonima Digela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about I choose number 1 and I choose number 4. Apparently I choose number 1 and I choose number 4 are in Josemamporo. I got intel. It's been a week also. I've known this for a week. But now I was given a green light to talk about it. Okay. I was given a green light because I needed understanding and clarity. So after the weekend, I got green light. No, it's fine. You can talk about it. Now I'm talking about it because I got clear details. So was it last week or the week? No, not last week, that week. Ne? That week of the last week of November. Ne? Yes, that week, last week of November. There was drama on Facebook. This drama resulted in someone taking screenshots of the things that were said in a certain page of Facebook. Don't want to be mentioning people's names because I don't want drama. Also, not a dramatic person. We're going to focus on what we are talking about. I choose 1 and 4. So that drama that happened at Facebook was resulted because there was an announcement that was made on TikTok Live by the Ghost Nation that the accused want nothing to do with donations when it comes to their name. They don't want that because they heard apparently Amahem or they heard in Zwabati, there might be people that want to donate money. And I choose to be like, no, don't do that. Don't do it. Do not do it. We don't want in our name. Sharp. Don't say you're doing that on our name. There was people. And then someone chested it out the announcement that did not mention anybody's name and went and did a drama on Facebook about it, said a lot of things and things that left people having so many questions. And then there was this one particular person who has a name by, I got this screenshots. Hold on. Who has the name by Lobster, Lobster 44? I'm quickly looking for it. I'm looking for it. Now. Let's screenshot Salomuntu. I show you. Come on, girlie. Where's this person? Yes. Capable Lobster 5144 responded in this dramatic thing that was happening on Facebook. Screenshot, in fact, and then sent it to another group where they discussed the Senzo case on this group. And then she or he was like, Oksalayo inkabi ziyofela ekhuludu noma delete my post. I will send the screenshot to Baloyi and Gininda. That is what happened there. This person wrote this on this particular Facebook page that talks about people are having conversations about the Senzo Miwa case. She or he took screenshots from a certain page on Facebook and took them to this page of Facebook that talks about the Senzo Miwa and was like, you see these people that you are saying are being framed. Look now, one of the people that came here and said these people are not guilty of the murder of Senzo, now she's saying these things. That's what was said. And then this person was like, I'm going to send this to Baloyi and Gininda. That was during the week. And then weekend, Saturday night, apparently, I choose number 3, I choose number 4, I choose number 1. They got visitors. They were searched. They found nothing. They started there, go Josemampuru with I choose number. Okay, I don't know what time, but they came at night. They were there by I choose number 3, and then they found nothing. He lives alone in his cell, but in a block where there's other people, it's more like really relaxed than the maximum security, which is CMEX. So he got those visitors. They checked. Apparently, the intel says they were sitting with him for plus minus 2 hours, searching everything. They were doing this in everything. They were doing that in everything that he had there. They were checking and checking for whatever that may fall off. They found nothing and they left. They took 2 USBs. They left. He apparently there's music and there's music and what? And movies on those USBs that they took. Sharp, they left. And then also on the other side in Modder B, accused number 1. Apparently he stays alone in a single cell, but he was not, and just like accused number 3, he was not, they are not in solitary confinement, but single cells. And then in his cell, he stays alone. So I don't know what exactly they found in his one, whether it's a cell phone or whatever that is not supposed to be inside the cells, but they found whatever perhaps, because there he is now in Kgosi Mampuru, CIMEX. And then they went to accused number 4's cell. He stays with other people. I don't know, maybe 10, 14 in a cell. I don't know how many, but there's a lot of people in his cell. When they were sitting there, when they were there, they found 4 cell phones. And then in these 4 cell phones, they did not find them on someone. They were on the floor. They were on the floor. So no one is going to say it's mine. But strangely, they took those cell phones and left, and then come back Sunday afternoon. They took accused number 4, took him to Kgosi Mampuru. Accused number 4, alone. From all those people that were sitting there, because perhaps they were supposed to say, okay, you're saying this cell phone does not, no one is saying the cell phone is his, I'm taking all of you to CIMEX. No, they singled out accused number 4. Match this. They took, they searched accused number 1, they searched number 4, they searched number 3. By the way, in number 3's block, apparently they only searched 4 people. They searched him and other 3. Him, they stayed there for 2 hours. These ones maybe for 20 minutes each. But to him, do you see the thing that is happening here? Yes. To him, they stayed for 2 hours. These ones maybe 10, 15, 20 minutes in them. In each. It was not long. And then they left, but with him alone, 3. They stayed longer. I don't know about how long they took for accused number 1. I don't know how long they took for accused number 4, but they found whatever they found in their cells. And then in accused number 4's situation, it was 4 cell phones that were found, but all these cell phones that were found, they were not found from anyone. They were found on the floor. Now, no one was claiming them, but they took only accused number 4. Note that. Ne? They took only accused number 4 and number 1 now. They are inside Phakathi Gulugudu CIMEX with accused number 5. They are there. And then on Monday, Duru, there are allegations of assassination plots. What is this? I need to check it out. I need to check it out. I wonder what it is. Because I have this also, and it's made by this hair here, because I have a very sensitive skin. I hope I did not take the hair and put it here. Anyway, sorry about that. I digress. Now they took them. They are there in solitary confinement. Now, boom, boom, boom. On Monday, accusations of assassination plots come. Was it Monday or Tuesday? Tuesday, ne? Yeah, it was Tuesday, because Monday they were responding. It was Tuesday. Now plot about assassinations and stuff happens, guys. Plot about assassinations happens on Tuesday. And a lot is happening and is happening and is happening. From that assassination plot, initially, what was said was that it was Gininda that is being targeted. Then we saw the accused were told that it was Gininda. Then we saw on the news, they were told that no, that day when the people were taken out of court, the people who were there with Gwabini, they were taken out of court. Gwabini was alert, blah, blah, blah. And then Missy and the other defense lawyers went to check. And then when they come back, they were like, there's a development and we want to go to the to speak to you, to the accused first, my lord, and consult. And then from that consultation, we'll come to you on your chambers and talk. You remember that incident? Yes. Now, they were told or accused to actually, apparently there is a plot to unalive Gininda. And the accused are like, why? Why would we unalive Gininda? We are winning here. The entire Braai is on the floor. Why would we want to take out Gininda? No, there's no such, we did no such thing. Then it shapes up, and then the next thing we saw that Linda posted saying the key role players is Judge Rata, the prosecutors, and the investigators. It went up a stretch when it comes to Linda Mnisi. I don't know where he took that from. Oh, there's a screenshot that he was sent, and then he wrote the things that he wrote on his Twitter. Okay, let's move on. So, do you see the linkages that are happening here? Do you see the linkages that are happening here? Yes. Mm-hmm. So now when we saw I choose number, when we saw I choose number 4, shaved off his hair on Tuesday, it's because he was fetched to be in solitary confinement for Kgosi Mampuru. So all the accused now are at Kgosi Mampuru. All the accused are at Kgosi Mampuru right now. All of them. They are at Kgosi Mampuru Tasekhaya. That's what I can tell you at this point. That they are all in Kgosi Mampuru or accused right now. Yeah, so it's that. That's that, Mdasekhaya. That's that. So they are there. And the person that apparently was saying, posted on these groups of Senzo Meyiwa on Facebook saying, those who are busy saying these accused were framed Nitini, Nyalo, but the truth is about to be revealed. Yeah. So that's what's happening. Guys, I'll see you on our next video. I just wanted to share with you that. Bye-bye.